Hi everyone and welcome to a Theme Park Worldwide news update. This afternoon, Thorpe Park have revealed the news that we've all been waiting for. The opening date for Hyperia, the UK's tallest and fastest roller coaster. The park revealed this afternoon that it's set to open on Friday the 24th of May 2024. It's set to be a historic day in the UK theme park industry and we cannot wait to be there for the opening day of this record-breaking new coaster for the UK. Now the park have revealed an updated video with some more of the soundtrack and also that announcement in there as well. So here it is, the official video just revealed this afternoon by Thorpe Park. Gives me goosebumps watching that video there, and I'm sure it does for many of you as well. The official opening date confirmed for Hyperia, the UK's tallest and fastest roller coaster. Of course, we're going to be there on that day. We're going to be bringing you lots of different coverage on our social media and YouTube channel, and we look forward to sharing our full review, capturing lots of off-ride footage, and just generally capturing the atmosphere of what is going to be a historic day in the UK theme park industry. It's also a really special day for Thorpe Park because they're actually turning 45 years old. It's their 45th birthday, so what a brilliant day to be opening this coaster on. We've been there watching the construction like many people have throughout this winter, and it's really built up the atmosphere for it, and just meeting so many people down Monk's Walk, everyone's been so excited for it. And then of course we got the topping off just a few weeks ago where we saw them final sections lifted into place at the top of the lift hill. The crest went into place and it really was a momentous occasion. And here we are just a few weeks later now with that official confirmation from the park of Hyperia's opening day. Now of course we look forward to bringing you all the coverage. I'm sure many of you are going to be there for it as well. So comment down below, let us know if you're going to be there for opening day or when you're planning on visiting Thorpe Park to ride this new record-breaking UK roller coaster. Of course, we're going to be there the opening day, but we're planning on being there a few days that week just to get plenty of rides on it and of course a full review because we want to try it in as many seats as we can do. We want to try the front, the back, the middle, just try every different riding position we can do. The left, the right, different times of the day, and that's the thing with roller coasters. They really do change depending on when you ride them. And with Hyperia being so tall and having these crazy elements, we're going to want to try it and see how it warms up throughout the day and warms up throughout its few first operating days as well, which is beautiful. Honestly, just to have that date confirmed, goosebumps watching the video, really excited, cannot wait for it. And after watching all the construction, finally we've got a date when we're going to be riding on this new roller coaster, and a special day in history for Thorpe Park as well, with it being their birthday celebrations. Now along with that as well, we're also going to be going on a huge trip just after that, so I'm really pleased that it turned out really well. This huge trip is going to be coming up in June 2024, and it's just timed beautifully with Hyperia opening, and then about a week later we're going to be heading out on this huge trip, and of course all the details will be revealed very soon here on Theme Park Worldwide. We're just finalising it all now, but yeah, it's going to be an absolutely awesome trip that we cannot wait to share with you all. As always, thanks for watching Theme Park Worldwide. I'll see you all in the next video, and that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you soon.